So guys, the MGCOOL Explorer Pro. This is a 4K action camera, and look at what you get in this package. All them accessories, even the waterproof casing, a really lovely box, and all for around 30 quid. Absolute bargain. Obviously, I'm going to need to test it to test the quality and the durability of the camera, but at the moment, first impressions, it looks absolutely beautiful. If you look around the camera here, it looks very similar to a sort of a GoPro with the power button on the front, LCD display on the back. You've got your micro USB on the side as well, SD card slot, and the battery compartment at the bottom. And it all gets packed up in that nice little box. You have nice accessories as well with some good brackets on there, so you can use them for all sort of different scenarios. I really can't wait to give it a good old test and see what it's like. Yeah, it's actually £30.72 at the moment on GearBest. It's also Wi-Fi, which is absolutely brilliant. There's the display, and it's actually in 4K at the moment with 30 frames per second. Picture mode, 720p at 120 frames per second. This will be good testing that. And that's playback media. Settings, 4K, 2.7K, 720p, 720p, 1080p, 1080p. Photo resolution. There you can set the exposure, white balance, turn the Wi-Fi on, language, date and time, settings, format, and exit. Yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful, guys. So I'm going to go away and I'm going to test this, give it a good old test, and come back with a review and a lot of footage. Thanks for watching, guys. There's a link in the description if you want to take a look at it, and I'll see you in the next one.